Routine will help you reset your posture with simple, useful, and usable stretches. Let's get started. So we're going to be doing our routine at the wall. We're going to find a wall that we can press our hands against. And we have our hands at shoulder height, pushing into the wall. Lift your chest and just take a couple of seconds here, finding your best, most elegant posture. And you do that by pushing into the wall, pressing into your inner heels, and lifting the chest. So just do that for a few moments to get ready for the really useful and usable stretches that we're doing together today. Now from here, we're going to walk the feet out. We're going to pivot from the hips, and we're going to push our hands into the wall as we drive our chest towards the floor. Pull the hips back, take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. Then lift yourself up and notice what a small change, what one little stretch already did for your posture. So now we're going to add on to that. We're going to take the hands back to the wall. And then once again, we're going to pivot from the hips, keeping the back long. We're going to drive our hands firmly into the wall and bring our attention to our right hip, and pull that back a little bit. Take a deep breath here, getting some length and strength in the body, and then come back to the middle and drive the left hip back. Keep your back long, push your hands into the wall, and come back to the center. And then when you bring yourself up, you feel a little bit more lifted in the chest, a little bit more open in the shoulders. So now we're going to go a little bit deeper into this posture reset stretch series. You're going to take your left hand on the wall and push it into the wall. From here, keep a bend on the elbow and turn, love this one, away from the wall. So what we're looking for here is hand pushing into the wall and hips spinning away from the wall. Lift chest, deep breath, and exhale. So good. And then when you come back to the center, you'll notice how one side of the body feels more lifted, more stretched, more mobile than the other side. That is because this works. We're going to get the other side. So your hand, your opposite hand, that be your right hand, is on the wall. And then we're going to reach or pivot away from the wall. Push the right hand into the wall, spin the hips away from the wall, lift the chest. Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. One more like that, and then slowly, slowly come back. Now we've stretched both sides of the chest, lifted our posture up. We have one more thing. Take your hands to your pelvis and pull your elbows back. Lift your chest as if you want your chest to point not towards the wall in front of you, but towards the sky above you. Pull your elbows back and feel this incredible lift in your chest. Push hands into pelvis, pull elbows back, lift chest, and imprint this feeling of length and strength in your body. And then release your hands and notice how you feel. That is your posture reset series. Save this practice. Come back to this practice after a long day, after you've been sitting too long. And remember that exercise works. And what we're doing together is making sure that it works for you.